some waste color papers. Here I am using color paper. You can also use papers with beautiful design. Now draw a small circle on it. You can use compass and then cut it. Draw some more circles of same size with different papers. Now let us make the design. Take a blank paper and follow these steps. Paste all these circles. Let us make another design. Here I am making some triangles on this paper. Cut some more triangles of same size with different paper. To make the design, follow these steps. Now paste all these triangles. Our design is ready. You can write anything in the middle, such as stories, poems, or your personal details for the front page of the magazine.